So why can't it be? Why can't it be the two of us? Why can't we be lovers? Only friends. You came along at the wrong place, at the wrong time.
Rich Beats Productions.
Was it me?
I'll wait for you to give me a sign. You tire me. I have uncertainty about how you feel, how your heart works. I just need to know for sure. If I asked you out, would you smile and say yes? If I held your hand, would you tell all your friends? If I sing you a song, would you ask me to sing it again? Or maybe we should just be friends. Or maybe we sige na nga, aaminin ko na sa'yo. Sige na nga, sasabihin ko na ito ang nilalaman ng damdamin ko. Sana naman pakinggan ng puso mo. Sige na nga, aaminin ko na mahal kita at wala nang iba. Sige na nga, sasabihin ko na sa puso ko, ikaw lang talaga ang iibigin ko ng buong buo. Sige na nga, mahal na kita. Sige na nga. Sige na nga, dadaanin na lang sa kanta. Sige na nga, ngayon ay sisimulan ko na ang nais kong sabihin magmula pa noon. Pag-ibig na sa puso ko hanggang ngayon. Sige na nga, aaminin ko na mahal kita at wala nang iba. Sige na nga, sasabihin ko na sa puso ko, ikaw